Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. Today I'm going to fire up the Alfa ONE wood-fired oven and I'm going to make a couple of my keto-friendly crustless deep dish pizzas. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is get a fire going here in my Alfa. I like to get the fire going early in the wood-fired oven and let this guy preheat adequately. I typically like to give it about an hour because it really improves the cooking properties of this grill or this oven, so light up early when you can. My oven's nice and hot, so the next thing I want to do is put my pizzas together. I'm using some of these Lodge 16-ounce oval pans. They work perfect for this. So what you want to do to get started is find some marinara sauce that you like, and there's a lot of low carb marinara options out there, and I use about a half a cup of that on the bottom of these, and then we're going to layer on some pepperoni. And after I get that layer of pepperoni on, I've cooked some ground beef with some onions and green peppers mixed in, so we're going to put a nice layer of that on both of these, and then we're going to come back with another layer of pepperoni, and then it just wouldn't be complete without some freshly grated whole milk mozzarella, so I'm going to get a nice bit of that across the top of both of these. These look beautiful and they are now ready for the oven. Our oven's running nicely right around 400 degrees, which is going to be perfect. So I'm going to slide both of these in there. I'm going to slide them to the back, and I'm going to watch these as they go and turn them as needed to let those guys brown evenly on top. Guys, we're about 10 minutes in here and these things are looking pretty amazing there. I'm going to give them one more spin and give them just a couple more minutes, and then we'll be pulling those out. Okay guys, I believe these are good to go. I want you to have a look at that. Those look absolutely amazing, so let's take them off. Okay guys, I've let these rest here for just a few minutes, and man, they're looking off the hook. This is dinner for me and my wife tonight here at the Man Cave. So guys, you're going to have to try this. If you don't have a wood-fired oven like the Alfa ONE, do this on your Kamado Joe, or do it in your pellet grill, or do it in your home oven. But guys, definitely give this a try. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.